Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial. Today I've placed my Galaxy 7 Plus next to the new Galaxy 10 Plus, and my first impression was that the style of the S7 by look and size is much better than the S10 Plus Chicago brick. However, as soon as I've started to use it, I realized what kind of powerful toy I had in my hand. Therefore, stay with me while we go together to discover why it is so powerful, to see how we can set it up, make it ready to use, and discovering its main features while comparing it with other similar phones. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. Okay, let's open this box and take the S10 Plus to feel it for the first time. It feels okay, but it will feel a lot better if you have a basketball player's hand. It comes with a fast charger, the USB-A to USB-C converter dongle, a USB-C cable, a pair of AKG headphones with a braided cable that will help your cord from tangling up, and ear tips of various sizes. Okay, let's turn it on and let's start the setup by choosing the language. The first tap on the phone will be "Let's go." First setup question. I, as always, checkmark the End User License Agreement only, and I tap on Next. Here, for this next setup step, if you do not want or do not need to transfer the data from your old phone to the S10 Plus, tap on Skip this for now, and tap on Next. If instead, like me, you need to transfer the data, install the app Smart Switch and follow the instruction on your display. Here I will show it really quick, but you can always check out a separate tutorial about transferring data with Smart Switch. Transferring data is helpful since now my S10 Plus is already connected to my Wi-Fi and I did not have to input any info for it. It has all the good applications I need, the documents, music and picture I was using. Okay, let's check out this beast. Wow, the software is easier to operate with one hand. That is so precise and slick. I'm impressed. What a spectacular display. Elegant, clean, and everything is bigger. The notification bar. But it is because it has an embedded ultrasonic fingerprint scanner which captures 3D contours of thumbs and fingerprints. The previous optical sensors only used an image of a fingerprint. This technology is a better anti-spoofing measure. I went to check YouTube's video, and they let you watch a full-screen video that goes edge to edge, leaving only a spot for the two front cameras. The S10 Plus has a 6.4-inch that uses dynamic AMOLED screen display technology, the first to be HDR10 Plus certified, which means you'll see details sharper than ever before and perfect color accuracy. But let's change the default resolution of Full HD. We go to Settings, Display, Screen Resolution, and we tap on the Wide QHD Plus 2960 x 1440 resolution. The image is so crisp. Yes, the screen is the big reason to buy the S10 Plus. It's better than the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I can even begin to tell you how great the stereo speakers sound. The Galaxy S10 Plus processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with a massive 8GB of RAM inside, except for the 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus model, which comes with a big badaboom 12GB of RAM. I stick with my 128GB of internal storage. However, as always, a micro SD card slot is present for more space. Several benchmarks as a result showed the Galaxy 10 Plus performance in the top 3, even on top of the iPhone XS Max. The software is a big improvement, and I place it on top of Google Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T. The Galaxy S10 Plus has, more than the smaller S10, a vapor chamber cooling system to keep the phone from overheating while playing games or making a long video, and it has an additional camera in the front for capturing a deep perspective selfie. It's an 8-megapixel lens with an f2.2 aperture, and it's purely there to capture better depth data, and it captures better live focus selfies than last year's Galaxy S9 Plus. Here, don't look at me, but check out how the background is clearly and deeply separated from my body figure. Up front, the other camera is a 10 megapixel lens with an f1.9 aperture that can also capture 4K Ultra HD video. In the back instead, the Galaxy 10 Plus has joined the ranks of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the LG V40 ThinQ with triple camera lenses in the same type of setup. Therefore, it has one more camera respect to the Galaxy 9 Plus. The extra camera is a 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f2.2 aperture. The other two cameras are instead the same, a standard 12 megapixel lens with a variable f1.5 to f2.4 aperture and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with an f2.4 aperture. Here we can see two similar pics, one with an S7 Plus and one with an S10 Plus. The high dynamic range of the S10 Plus captures good details with good colors. If you go to the settings, you can also add few features like Scene Optimizer and Shot Suggestions. And you can just point the camera, find the white circle and take the recommended best shot. The videos are super steady if you happen to move around a lot while shooting a footage. Here are some examples. Super slow motion and the hyperlapse video. The Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery and it is also IP68 water resistant, so it can be submerged underwater up to 1.5 meters and for 30 minutes. After the first introduction made by Huawei Mate 20 Pro of what they call reverse wireless charging, the S10 Plus 2 can wirelessly charge other QI-enabled products, only they call it wireless power share. Unfortunately, my Galaxy Buds and this charging case have not yet arrived and therefore I can't show how it works. However, if you place an iPhone XS or another Samsung on the back of the phone, it will recharge by sapping energy. And finally, the last feature. There is one button on the side that I curiously hit only to discover that it is Bixby or Bixby, a useless virtual assistant. This is it for today. If you like my tutorial, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you'll find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening. Ciao!